Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Here is the update on Spinneys. I am on the daily chart. Just to give you a quick recap, this IPO was priced at 1.53 dirhams per share. It opened at 1.70. It could not survive on the listing day. We can see tremendous selling pressure. Its low was till about 1.59 and very next day we saw it came down till about 1.58, and in Friday's session we are seeing it has printed a green indecisive candle on the daily chart. This is a dodgy candle, but something very interesting that we can see here is after this massive red candle we are seeing it's taking a pause. It means buyers have somehow managed to jump in around 1.58 to 1.60 area and they have managed to close above 1.60. However, during the trading session, that is in Friday's session, we saw it touched 1.64. It could not sustain and it dropped to close at 1.62. Now let me go down to 15 minutes chart where we can analyze and dissect in detail. And this is the drop that we saw on the listing day till about 1.59. From here it was just going sideways. Buyers and sellers were fighting to decide on the trend. Unfortunately, we did not see a breakout to the upside or breakdown. It went flat. It closed at 1.60. Very next day it opened at the same level and we saw it drop till about 1.58. We saw two indecisive candle and then we saw a break to the upside. Okay, so this scenario is positive that I have marked, but then we should see a follow through from here. Unfortunately, that did not happen and similar kind of pattern is repeated here. We can see it just went sideways and nothing interesting. Buyers and sellers were just fighting for the trend. We did not see any clear-cut breakout or breakdown. And right at the time of close, that is at 2:55, we saw a nice pump coming in. Closing is at 1.62. However, before the close it was trading at 1.60. So we saw a push to the upside. Closing is not positive, closing is not negative at the same time. Spinneys will only decide its course of action or the trend once we see a clearance of this zone where buyers and sellers were previously fighting, that is 1.63 area. So in Monday's session, if it opens with a gap down, then there are chances it would like to revisit 1.58 or it can even go lower very quickly. Why is that? Because this would be a failure from buyer side. If buyers cannot open with a gap up or a flat opening, it means buyers are weaker and sellers will try and push down the price. So on a positive note, if at all we see a nice gap up opening that is above 1.62, there are chances it may break this area of resistance 1.63 and there are good chances it may visit 1.70 again. That was the listing price. And if at all we see a solid candle close with good volumes in Monday's session like this is considered to be a green candle, then we can confirm yes, Spinneys is now starting a trend and it may continue its upside momentum till we see a reversal coming in. So for now, with a dodgy candle on the daily chart, anything can happen. It can break up, break down. Buyers have to flex their muscles, open positive and push the price higher. If at all it opens on a negative scenario, that is with a gap down, then there are very high chances it may even come down till about 1.53. Obviously that scenario would be disappointing. Hopefully we don't see this happening. So guys, this was my quick update on Spinneys. For more detailed analysis and my stock recommendation, you may join my YouTube membership. Link is in the description. And yes, if this video was helpful, then please do not forget to hit the like button to show your support. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.